Hello, this is Dr. Cole Woolley, and this lesson is called Say No to Synthetic Air Fresheners. Well, we've all chosen to have an all-natural lifestyle using the highest grade essential oils. Now, we all want our air in our rooms to smell pleasant and safe and natural. We want to use all natural perfumes and colognes. We want the safety that's associated with that. And we want our body sprays to also be all natural. Well, the problem is that companies that produce laundry, hair care, body care, and air care products know that 85% of their customers love fragrance, and the fragrance that they love is this synthetic fragrance that is made by fragrance companies. Each one of these fragrances contains 30 to 60 synthetic fragrances and their byproducts, and they are used in all of these products to fragrance them. Now, the other 15% that are not classified as fragrance lovers, they want unscented or fragrance-free product because they want to be able to control their own fragrance using all natural, high quality, genuine grade essential oils. So that's us. So we want to be able to use that in our household. Now, where are these synthetic fragrances used? Well, they're used to freshen the air in all the rooms of the house, the bathrooms. The colognes and the perfumes also contain synthetic fragrances. So air freshener fragrances cause an alarm because even though they produce a fresh scent and cover up foul odors, their constant exposure and their toxicity, the toxicity of the fragrance, the toxicity of the byproduct of the fragrance, they all cause a potentially high risk for problems with sinuses, respiratory issues, for headaches, for immune system problems. And who wants to have these risks in a household? Nobody. That's why it's helpful that you go out and warn your neighbor. Now, air fresheners, again, they contain 30 to 60 synthetic fragrance chemicals in them. They're not just one chemical, it's a blend of synthetic fragrances that contain byproducts, and together their toxicity is alarming and it's a risk to you because you are constantly being exposed to these synthetic toxic aromas. It causes, like I said, headaches, respiratory problems, immune problems, and other long-term health problems. So perfumes and colognes also are made from synthetic fragrances. High expensive perfumes and colognes might have a natural component, but every single one of them has the synthetic fragrances. So they might be attractive and they might cover body odor and the body sprays might do their thing, but what's the risk? You're dealing with fragrances that can cause toxicity, that can cause allergic reactions, that can cause respiratory problems. So what are these risks of these wonderful perfumes and colognes? Well, first of all, they seduce you with beautiful commercials for you to buy them, thinking that, oh, when I use this perfume or when I use this cologne, I'll be part of the great people and I'll have a wonderful lifestyle and I'll be great. Well, that's just great marketing, but it's bad. Remember, each one of these perfumes and colognes can contain 30 to 60 synthetic fragrance chemicals with their byproducts and the toxicity that's associated with them, and they put your health at risk. So my suggestion is you get rid of synthetic fragrances and their sources in your household. Make the decision once. Go out and collect your plug-in fragrance device and anything associated with them. Go collect your air sprays. Go collect scented candles and scented waxes and wicks. Find them all in your household. Collect them and sell what you can. Make some money off of it. Otherwise, put them in a bag, throw them in the trash. They're gone. So today, after you've done that, I suggest that you diffuse all natural, genuine grade essential oils. There's many ways to diffuse. A diffuser like this, or anything like that, an unscented candle with, say, 5 to 6 drops of a favorite essential oil in them will also diffuse in your house. Taking a tissue and adding essential oils to it and leaving the tissue out also is a diffuser. Diffuse in your kitchen, your bathroom, your bedrooms, and the essential oil blends can be used also for your colognes and perfumes, and even for your body sprays. So this lesson has been all about how to say no to synthetic air fresheners. And the best way to do that is identify these synthetic fragrances and their products in your household, collect them all, sell what you can, get rid of the rest. If you'll do that, you will reduce the risk of health problems in your home, especially consistent headaches, sinus problems, respiratory problems, immune problems, and you will enjoy much better health. Remember, it's just a drop or two for a better you.